Hey, it's the Bellink here, and I'm auditioning for your series, A Witch's Heart. Um, and I will I will do all the female characters. If you hear that in the background, it's my stupid washing machine. Um, I hope you can't hear it, but I can't get it to stop right now. But if I get the part, I will definitely make sure it's not on when I do the lines. Um, okay. Here's Mary. Oh, hello, Miss Catello. I was wondering how Carolyn was doing. Any better? Kale, I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm trapped in a jar. Carolyn, wait. Please. I'm worried about you. You've been acting so strange these past couple of weeks. Did I do something to make you mad? I saw the sign in the window. It said you were looking for someone to work part-time. Oh, I didn't think anyone knew about this place but me. Here is Lynn, line 1. No luck finding one yet. Why not ask Kale's parents if you could work at the shop? I got us away from that life for a reason. I didn't need to see you warped by the ideas and beliefs of those people. Stay away from my sister, or I'll make sure you regret the day you ever laid your eyes upon her. Here's Carolyn. Line 1. I thought I told you to stop coming around here. You're not my friend, so stop pretending to be. Here's line 2. I never knew how nice he was. You're lucky to get to be so close to him. I'm sorry for how I've been acting. I don't know what came over me. I thought I told you to stop coming around here. You're not my friend, so stop pretending to be. I never knew how nice he was. You're lucky you get to be so close to him. Here is of the Lemonides, female. Oh, well, of course it's female. Okay, never mind. Line 1. Don't worry, Father. I know better than to utter those words. Line 2. I never asked to be born this way. Line 3. You know as well as I do, it's against our laws for a witch to show her face to a warlock.